So, naalala ba ninyo yung pinahulaan ko na hotdog? Hotdog, ayan. Ito yung hotdog, guys. Oh, di ba maputla? Maputlang hotdog. Ayan, ang pinahulaan ko sa inyo. Ano ito? Parang bread. Oh, Dunkin' Do. Yan ang pinahulaan ko sa inyo kung na-remember nyo. So, ayan. Maliliit. Pizza. Na-ready na. Kainin. Salmon. Dami nating salmon. Ayan o. Daming salmon, no? Manik. Daming manok, guys. Oh, manok yan lahat. Iba-ibang parte ng katawan. Oh!
It's $11. Want a ribeye steak?
It's up to you.
It's up to you. What do you want to eat?
Tapos, gusto ko ng ano sana, yung bang ang dami kong manok sa bahay. Gusto ko sanang buong manok ba? Parang tinolang manok. Ganyan, tinolang manok.
So this is $11.
Just get it.
I was wondering, do you want that or you want it's up to you? I don't know. These are good. You love these. I love these. It's only take a couple minutes to fry. Just get them. You know. We
Tapos,
can make some potatoes. Well, if it's potatoes. Mashed potatoes. You like mashed potatoes?
yeah. We have to finish the potato we have.
What's that?
We have to finish the potato.
Okay. So that's all we need. That is a vegetable.
What is garden line?
What is it?
Garden line.
Why? That's the brand name. Did you get the rugs?
Yeah.